Hi everyone, this is a video about this Dosens GTX LED headlamps or bike light. This is a very high quality unit and I carry on with unboxing and the review. I get everything out and we talk more. Hi again. This is all that it was in the box, and apart from this unit, which is a bonus item that they have included in this sales, which is a rear red light for the bicycle that you can adjust it to your seat post, and it has 3 positions and then off, and it takes 2 batteries, button type batteries. I show you. This is the battery, 2 of them, and the body of this is aluminium, and it has an O-ring and is water resistance, and it's good quality, but it has sharp edges like those combat torches that you see, but it's rather very sharp. So the main star of this video is the unit itself, so we put this aside and then we go to the mounting of this unit. You just put this around your handlebar and then twist this ring to adjust it and tighten it, and then you can connect this to your handlebar via this 1/4 inch screw, which is exactly like the tripod. And it's handy that you can mount this on the tripod because it's so bright that you can use it as a flash. It's very, very bright and is high quality item. We talk about this again. So we put these aside, and then it came also with a battery, and the battery is already placed inside here. And I show you the battery. Battery was button top and 18650 batteries, and it looks like one of those cheap batteries, Trustfire or some of those, but this one it brands as the item itself, and it has a weight to it. We are going to see how heavy the battery is, and then you can use this also as a headlamp. And these 2 plastic, very strong plastic, is going over these areas, and then you can use it as a headlamp. I was looking for a headlamp that is self-contained, doesn't need to have those battery packs, because those battery packs are really heavy, and they're always coming in 2 18650 batteries. So I opted for this unit, and I am very happy to get this unit. And the headband is really comfortable and is good quality also. And I put this aside, and you can charge the battery inside with the charger, and that's what makes this unit so special, so unique, that is self-contained and self-sufficient. We are going to some of the listing here in the user manual. I hold it for you to pause and read it comes in 4 languages, 3 languages, English, German and Chinese, and is well drawn out, is very good quality. It shows you everything that you need to know about the unit, and is of highest quality, and the brightness is insanely bright. I cannot stress that so much more than what I am going to show you, because the unit is fantastic. I recommend this fully to everyone, and the price of this item was £12.99. I put the back, the manual, I get the charger out and I show you, and get the scale out to show you the weighs, how much it weighs and so on. I see you shortly. This is the battery that it came with. I showed you, so let's weigh this. If it's more than 40 grams, is a good battery, and is 46.1, which is good. And the weight of the unit is, I put it like so, is 92.2 grams. And with the battery, and it has the direction of the battery as well, positive and negative, put it in there. And the battery, I have to say, is protected as well, but you can put unprotected batteries, but you have to be careful when it's running out of battery and the voltage is going lower than 3.2, because you are going to damage your battery. But with the protected batteries, you cannot damage it. It just shuts itself down. And with the battery is 138.2 grams, and I show it to you later with the headband as well, at how much it weighs, and we talk more. So this has a strobe capability, so for those people that they are sensitive to strobe lights or flashing lights, I advise you, whenever that I'm going to use it, to look away. But this is the flash that I'm using, the projector light that I'm using. It has more than 100 LEDs in there, and just look at the brightness. This is 100 LEDs, and this is just one battery, one LED in there, which is 5 watts LED, and it's hot, is insanely crazy bright, and is hot. You can warm your hand with this torch, with this light, LED light. And then when you press it, shortly is going to one lower brightness, and then the lower and the lowest, and then coming back to full brightness. And this is the time that you have to look away, because I'm going to trigger the strobe light, and if you press the button twice, it's going to a strobe. So look away please now, and then I tell you when I'm finished. This is the strobe light, and it's very bright, very, very bright. And now when you press it once again, is going back to the light that you last set it at. Now you can look at the video, and I show you the different brightness. This is level 3, the highest was level 4, and level 2, and level 1. With the level 1, with a full charge battery, you can use this for 80 hours. I'm not joking, 80 hours. And with the full brightness you can use it 5 hours, for only 5 hours. And then when you press it more than 1 second, the unit is going off and the body is warm, not hot, but the whole body is made of aluminium and is acting as the radiator to absorb all of that 5-watt heat that this unit is generating. So the reason that I have opted for this unit is because it's self-contained, it has a battery inside, and you can charge the battery. If you look at this sign, which is USB sign, if you turn this, you reveal a micro USB slot, and you can charge this, and while it's charging it show you red, when it's charged it show you green. So that's fantastic. No guessing that, is it fully charged or not, because some of the units just the red light stays on and some of them the red light goes off, but this one has a green light also. I open the other end and I show you what you can see inside of this unit. And when you take the battery out, the inside, let me get my torch, if I can show you what is inside. If not, I have to get my other torch. Yeah, it's a little bit difficult. Maybe you're able to see it. Let me get my other torch to see if we can see more than I said what my torch is capable of. Let me see. Zoom this. That is what you can see inside. So I won't take more of your time, and this is my other torch, which is useless, This is supposed to be CREE as well, but it's not. It's one of those Chinese ones. But this is a fantastic torch as a headlamp and as a bicycle light. I fully recommend this for the price, $12.99, with the quality, and the brightness is crazy. I'm telling you, it's crazy. In full sunshine, when you turn this unit on, you can see the ring of light on the floor or on the wall. So I fully recommend this unit, and if you want to have a look at the LED inside, this is how it looks like. And that would brings the end of our video. So until my next video, take care of yourself and each other and have a great time. Thanks for watching.